Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The Bitcoin price action has finally moved somewhat independently of broader macroeconomic sentiment, largely reacting to recent central bank commentary delivered on August 22nd. The tone came across as notably dovish, and market participants now expect interest rates to be reduced at the upcoming policy meeting in mid-September. According to current market projections, there is about a 75% chance of a rate adjustment. Markets responded quickly to this shift in expectations. Funds moved out of U.S. government bonds, with the two-year yield dropping by approximately 3.44%. Equity markets followed suit, with the Russell 2000 index gaining around 4.5% within just a few hours. This sharp move highlights how sensitive smaller companies are to anticipated changes in borrowing costs, since lower rates typically benefit small-cap firms with heavier debt exposure. Commodities and digital assets reacted in tandem. Gold advanced roughly 1.73%, while Bitcoin climbed about 5.13% from its earlier level, near $111,600 to reach new local highs around $117,400 within 6 hours. During this upward move, several important horizontal support and resistance levels were passed, and price action is now hovering near the yellow dotted line at $115,700. The $116,400 level briefly failed to hold during the advance, and that remains an area to monitor closely. The next significant objectives involve establishing confirmed support near $115,800, followed by a potential reclaim of $116,400. Beyond that, the next area of focus sits around $119,800. Interestingly, August overall returns, which had been negative until yesterday, have now turned slightly positive at approximately 4 basis points. Examining the heat map data, the one-day view highlights a key concentration near $117,400. On the 3-day perspective, there had previously been heightened activity around $111,600, but a revisit to that region appears less probable given the shifting policy expectations. A secondary cluster aligns around $117,600, consistent with the shorter-term view. Looking further out, the one-week map shows significant concentrations at $117,400, extending up toward the $120,000 region, in line with the key horizontal levels already discussed. Meanwhile, exchange-traded product data from Friday revealed a slightly negative net inflow of approximately $23.2 million. While several issuers recorded modest inflows, one leading provider stood out with a larger outflow of nearly $198.8 million, a detail worth keeping in mind moving forward. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart discussions. Click the like button if you found value in this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to all to stay updated. And see you in the next one.